Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about the Rhino Tote tanks with steerable wheels. These tote tanks easily transfer waste between your RV or trailer to the dump station when you're parked too far away. The Rhino Tote tanks are the world's toughest tote tanks, and they're made right here in the USA. What makes them so tough? They're constructed of durable, blow molded, high density, UV stabilized polyethylene so they won't leak or deteriorate. These steerable Rhino Tote tanks have the same great features as the other 28-gallon and 36-gallon Rhino Tote tanks, but these feature a sturdy 24-inch built-in tow bar attached to two steerable 6-inch no-flat wheels in the front. This allows you to easily roll the tote tank, eliminating the need to lift the front end in order to transport it. The tow bar also features a hook that you can attach behind a golf cart or truck for effortless transportation. The other features of the Rhino Tote tanks with steerable wheels include a heavy-duty, oversized handle, which makes them easier to pull, tow, or lift for emptying. Two 12-inch, no-flat wheels in the back, which easily roll over rough terrain, and the two steerable, 6-inch, no-flat wheels in the front for easy maneuverability. All of the wheels have bearings for smoother transportation. On top of each tote tank are two separate water inlets. The first inlet is an integrated tank rinser with an easy grip female connection to connect any standard size garden hose for use with gray water. It features a backflow preventer and multi-directional spray to help clean the tank's interior sidewalls. The second inlet has a male garden hose connection that's mainly used as a vent to maintain airflow during filling and emptying, but it can also be used with the included 15-inch female-to-female hose in order to fill and flush the tank faster. The insides of the tank are sloped towards the drain hole so emptying is easy, and the interior surface is smooth so that it won't trap odors or debris. Both size tote tanks have an integrated waste outlet gate valve located at the bottom of the tank to make emptying even easier. All Rhino Tote tanks come with a ready-to-use kit that has everything you need. Each kit includes one 3-foot Rhino Extreme sewer hose with bayonet lug fittings, one clear elbow with swivel bayonet fitting and 4-in-1 adapter for connecting to the dump station, one clear double swivel bayonet elbow for connecting your sewer hose from the RV to the tote tank. It can also be used to view how full your tote tank is getting. One 15-inch female-to-female Rhino water hose with easy grip connections, and storage caps and lanyards for all the inlets and outlets. When your Rhino tote tank is not in use, you can utilize the integrated ladder hook located on top to hang the tote tank from your RV ladder. And the molded and tie-down grooves are the perfect width for straps so you can secure it. And each Rhino tote tank comes with a 2-year warranty. So there you have it, the Rhino tote tanks with steerable wheels from Camco. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Camco.net.